guys, it's Bernicia, aka Kanya Flybug, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're old here, welcome back. Sorry. It's gonna be a busy day. I'm cooking with my niece and she's giving us massages, so let's get to it. It's facing me, weirdo. Okay. Say hello, Jahala.
Hi. I don't have eyebrows on today.
She is also a registered masseuse, and she's a model and therapist. She does all. She does it all. She does it all. I'll leave her stuff at the in the description box. Anyway, so she wanted to learn how to do stew. So I cleaned chicken, and it's in there. We're gonna add the spices and whatnot. And I can't hold this and do it at the same time. So let me spice it and then be back. All right, people. So it's spiced now. Got bay leaves, the onga seasoning. There's a third one that we put in here, and it's here. It's garlic, ginger, and onion powder. But put a little bit of cinnamon on it, a little garlic, and the onion powder. But just let that steam and boil until all the chicken is cooked, and then we're gonna fry it. I usually cut them at an angle, but you know, you cut them how you like.
I like being fancy. Carla wants to get mad when everything you cook takes so long. I was like, no, it don't. You're just greedy.
No, no, you just hungry. Some garlic.
Get out of the kitchen.
This. It kind of looks like the chicken stew, but it's beef stew.
Oh, I think I know how to do that.
It looks so long.
Yeah.
Do you have a poo-poo?
You're being recorded grabbing my ass. Cool.
Do you know how to make poo-poo? Like
Fufu?
poo-poo.
No.
They're like the little African donuts.
What?
Except your ass ain't in the picture.
Yeah, it was.
No, you stepped back. All right, here now.
Okay. Watchdog legions for you.
What?
I said watchdog legions for you.
Yeah? Right, motherfucker. Shoot me, I'll take you down. Bitch.
And we fry the chicken. We have the stew over here. Hey everyone, it's Bernicia, aka Kanya Flybug, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're old here, welcome back. So, I've been reading up on coffee, and look at my hair, it's a rat's nest again. Anyway, I've been reading up on coffee and the benefits that it has for your hair. So, what I decided to do, which, because I ran out of the actual coffee, and I have some at my sister's house. I'm gonna have to grab that, but I'm gonna do it the ghetto way. I'm gonna try this. So what I did was I took one of my packets of Folgers and I steamed it in water, in a little bit of water, and then you guys know my little prepoo mixture. What I did was I mixed that together, and I added avocado oil and some of that, and this is what I came up with. So I'm going to try this. So you're supposed to put it directly on your scalp, and that's what I'm going to do, but I'm also, you know, because I put the prepoo in there, I'm going to use that and show you guys what it looks like. I mean, it is Sunday, and I just had a massage. My niece came over and got both me and Matt done, and it was amazing, even though I'm so, like, knotted up. It's horrible. but I feel a lot better. And I actually showed her how to make this stew that I learned when I was married, but we didn't actually, we started to record and then it was like, we're not exactly prepared for this. So what's gonna happen is the next time she comes over to you know, give us massages, which will be in the next month, we're gonna redo the stew so we can record it and actually be prepared. And I'll probably give you some clips of her massage and stuff, and like leave all her information down in the comments so you guys can hook her up if you're ever in Colorado. Anyway, so without further ado, I'll see you in a minute.
I haven't felt that in years. Oh, thank you. Excuse me.
I know all about you. Going back to your punk days.
Oof, that was many moons ago.
Velvet buzzsaw.
Yeah, well, to purveyor of good taste. So I get the joke. None of this.
Sorry, babe. I said sorry. Actually, I said sorry, babe, but you don't want to hear it.
Did you say bae?
Well, you would qualify. Bo?
They're totally true that bae means poop in like Dutch or something. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I just put it in and it feels fairly soft, but I guess I'll find out when I rinse it out. I'm gonna eat now. Ta-da! And I'm gonna cover it with a bag and just let it sit for a few minutes. Hopefully it'll help with my itchy scalp too, even though I don't think it will. But I will let you guys know how it feels when I rinse it out. Alright, you guys, my hair is washed, it's clean, everything's out of it, and it is so soft. I love it. Oh my goodness. I'm in love with myself. With my hair at least. So yeah. This time I used the Soul Tentacles Master Cleanse. So that took an extra 40 minutes because you have to leave it in your hair and then rinse it out and then put the deep conditioner in for another and I put it in for 40 minutes too. So, but yes, this is amazing. It's lovely. And look at that. Look at those ringlets, baby. Ringlets. Fuzzy ringlets, but ringlets. I'll take them. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you in the next one.